So I'm David Bonfiglio. I'm project manager for Mountainwood Homes. Typically we do like in-house our own demo, but lately we are kind of having a labor kind of shortage, not so much in our company, but just trying to keep up with what we have currently going. So we're actually using Bill Dotson, he's one of our trade partners, and they're actually doing the demo for this particular project. And they're almost like part of our company. It just feels like an extension. In fact, the guys, kind of a side note, they wanted to have some of our, our own labeled shirts and hats and things. And I said, no problem. So when I got the hats to them, I noticed the next day, 5 of the whole crew was in Mountainwood gear and hats and all that. So they really do feel like they're part of, our Mountainwood team. So it's a good thing.